Welcome back to another episode of Hal Farms. I just wanted to hop on here and give y'all a little update what's going on. I haven't been posting like normal, but I have hurt myself. And before y'all get to thinking, it wasn't on purpose. Well, now that I told y'all I hurt myself, I bet you're wondering how I did it. Well, last week we went and visited some family members for a family reunion and my grandma's birthday. And while we were at the hotel, I decided to jump in the pool. Well, the first jump went good, but the second jump, as you can see right here, it looks okay. But when I jumped, my calf muscle tore. It actually felt like a rubber band had snapped in my leg. I kind of went into shock, didn't know what happened. Worst pain I've ever felt in my life. But we ended up going to the ER that night. I got some crutches and some pain medication. Stayed another day or two up there and then traveled home, and here we are. So it's gonna be a little while before I upload some more videos probably. But while we were there, we before I hurt my leg, we went to a water park. So I'm gonna let y'all see some of that footage and we'll be right back. Well, as you can see, while I was on vacation, we had a lot of fun before I hurt my leg, but stuff happens, guys. You just got to roll with it and deal with it. I also want to give a shout out to Cody. He's probably laughing right now watching this. We talked while I was up there, and he let me know he watches all my videos, so I just want to give a little plug in there. But like I said before, I'm not real sure how the videos are going to go. If I'm going to post some in about a month or so, or if I'm going to try to do this weekly. I pretty much have to limp around. It's not real fun. Can't do much. I'm off work, so I may try to do some little stuff, review some stuff. I'm not real sure. So y'all stay tuned for some more videos. Until next time, I'll see you on the farm.